YouTube was good as your boy Bobby Sneaker World. Y'all know what today is. It is the 31st, the day before Easter. So I am about to go pick up these Jordan 11 Lows Easters. Your boy hit on 6 pair.
Damn!
Of the 11 Lows. I doubled up on each app. An adult in a grade school. Obviously, I'm not going to pick up all 6 pair, but I do have a few pre-orders to pick up for, and then one for myself. So I'll see y'all when I get there. What's good, y'all? We here, we in the mall. Joe So Dav is with me in the building. Got some Pride of Ohio's on. Let me see those Jones. Woo! Let me get all the way around those Jones. Let me zoom in on those Jones. Ooh. All right, son, what we here for today? What sneakers are we here for? Do you even know?
No.
How you don't know?
Nobody told me.
We here for those Jordan 11 Lows, those green joints, right?
I don't know.
How many did I hit on?
It's like 4.
No, 6.
Wow.
So let's go pick up a few. All right, y'all. As y'all can see, I'm out of the mall. My personal pair, 10.5. Got the gold Jumpman on the top of the box. Shout out to Footlocker. Quality control. Y'all seen a ton of reviews on these already. And being out here in the light, you're not really gonna get the full effect like you should, but you got your this is a darker, it's almost black green. You got your small Jumpman embroidered on the back, Tiffany colored 2-3. The leather is nice though. It looks good. Got your egg dye Easter bottoms. As y'all know, these look more like an all-star 11. It's pretty dope for a low. Pretty dope. YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back on the couch. And I already did a quick, little brief, detailed review of this sneaker right after I got it. This is one of the pair that I picked up. This is the grade school size 6Y. It's a really dope shoe. But I don't want to talk anymore about necessarily just this shoe. I want to talk about what I told y'all at the beginning, that I hit on 6 pair of these. Now, a lot goes into that. Now, it could just be that this is a super GR and everybody's going to have an opportunity to get their hands on them. But I also doubled up on bread toes, I had an opportunity to double up on gold toes, different things like that. And what you have to do to have an opportunity, sign up for your Footlocker app, your Champs app, and your Footaction app. Now, once you sign up for those, you have minutes head start. You start off as a VIP member in all of them, you get 6 minutes. Now, if you get to a certain level, if you spend a certain amount of money, I think it's $300 in the store, and then it's for a 12-month period. Not 12 months, January to January. It's from whatever month you sign up. 12 months after that, you get 9-minute head start. Then you also get an additional minute once you go check in at whatever store, whatever location that you want to pick up your shoes from. Footlocker, Footaction, or Champs. Now, a 10-minute head start, 9-minute head start might not sound like anything. from 6 minutes, it's just 4 minutes, I'll still get my shoes. But if you got, depending on where you live in one of these bigger cities like I live, Columbus or New York or Chicago or LA and all that, it's thousands of people going after these your size. So if it's 2,000 people with 10-minute head start, about time they get down to the people that 4 minutes later, those sneakers are gone. You will catch an immediate L every single time. So with me, I have 10-minute head starts. So as soon as you'll have your clock and your timer. As soon as it gets down to 0, I got my thumb on the screen. Congratulations, I hit. Now you can't put multiple sizes in for adult sizes. You can get a grade school size and you can get a adult size. I hit on all 6. So I picked up a bunch of my pre-orders today and also picked up a 10.5 for myself. So I just wanted to make this video. I always encourage, I know a lot of people that are in the sneaker game are already pretty aware of the foot apps. But if you're going to be spending money anyway in these stores, sign up. It's free. Sign up to be a VIP member in every single one of these places. Even if it's just one place. Even if you always shop at Footlocker, you're going to be spending your money at Footlocker anyway. If you buy at the prices the things are now, 2 pairs of shoes is going to make you a platinum VIP member at this point. You're going to probably be at $300 with 2 purchases. So at that point, now you got your 10-minute head start on every release that comes out on the app. And especially if you're in a smaller city where the quantity is going to be limited, you better have 10-minute head starts. So I'm not going to make this video long. I appreciate y'all riding along with me today, going to pick up these pairs. I hope everybody was able to get their Emerald 11s. My next comp will probably be the Shadow 1s. If, I know I'll be able to get my hands on them. But if, we'll just wait and see. $160 ain't bad. And everybody is doing reviews on them, early reviews saying that the quality is great. So we'll just have to wait and see. But y'all know how I end it. OVE!